Welcome to HelloNote's tutorial on our latest update to the user settings. With the new permissions tool, office managers can simply toggle access on or off to grant or restrict employees access to specific features within the app. Let's dive in and explore how this powerful update can enhance your workflow. First, click on the Administration tab in the left side navigation panel. Then, select Users from the drop-down menu. Once you're redirected to the Users page, choose a user from the list. Then, click on the Actions button on the left-hand side. When the drop-down menu appears, select Permissions. Now you can manage the user's access by granting permissions to the features you want them to use and restricting those you don't. Simply toggle the checkboxes on or off next to each feature to adjust their access accordingly. After you've finished modifying the access settings, click on the Save button at the bottom to apply the updated changes. If you decide not to apply the changes, simply click Cancel to close the pop-up. If you want to reset a user's permission rules, click on Reset Special Permissions. This will revert the settings back to the default permissions specifically designed for the assigned role. Thank you all for following along with this tutorial on granting user permissions in the app. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to check out our knowledge base. And please don't hesitate to reach out for further assistance.